Sometimes we feel कि भाई after 10 years people can recognize us. Why and how? How is it possible? Same work done by biometric. So let's just understand what biometric is. Biometric is the science of measuring psychological or behavioral characteristic that variety a person's identity. Biometric identification refers to a technology that uses scanned graphical information from many sources for personal identification purposes. Facial imaging, retinal and iris scans, fingerprint scans, voice patterns, facial recognition, hand geometry identification, etc. Today, a worldwide variety of biometric devices such as hand scan, voice recognition system, hand geometry system, eye scanning system, and face recognition system are available in the market. Have you ever noticed that whenever you enter into a school or any other office, there is a thumb impression which mark your attendance? Yes, you are right. It is a kind of biometric form. Let's talk about its features. Biometric access control systems help to prevent unauthorized individuals from accessing facilities or computer system and networks. It is unique in its approach as it makes it possible to differentiate one individual from another. It is measurable in nature as it allows for future comparisons. Biometric can fulfill two distinct functions, for example, authentication and identification. While the identification requires a centralized database which allows a biometric data of several persons to be compared, whereas authentication can do without such a centralized database. The data can simply be stored on a decentralized device such as a smart card. Biometrics are of two types, physiological and behavioral. Physiological biometrics includes iris or retina, fingerprints, hand, face, voice, DNA, odor, earlobe, sweat pod, lips. Behavioral biometrics it includes signature, keystroke, voice and gait. Let's talk about its application. The major academic libraries use computer, internet, and network based services to extend effective and efficient library and information services to the students, researchers, scholars, faculty members, and scientists who form the membership base. They are widely using computers for various purposes, for example, circulation, cataloging, information services, collection development, and serial control. Library professionals should be aware of the data diddling, where somebody may alter the raw data just before a computer processes it and then charging it back after the processing is completed. They should ensure enough safety and security to their databases. At present, electronic surveillance and security systems are being used in some academic libraries. However, these systems have got their own limitation. In this context, biometric applications are highly useful for them.